Hi, my name is Nick Modesti. I'm the business manager here at Modesti's Car Care Center, and I want to welcome you to our Modesti's Minute Clinic. Today we're going to be talking about tire pressure. I just want to give you a couple tips on how to check your own tire pressure. First, we're going to start off with checking what the manufacturer suggests to inflate the tires. So we're going to look down here at this particular car here. This is a Prius, and it happens to have a label here, and it tells you here that the front tire pressure needs to be 35 pounds per square inch, or PSI, and the rear tire needs to be 33 PSI. You also want to notice that this is cold tire pressure. So you want to check your tire pressure before you drive your car for the first time of the day. So I do suggest that you go to your local parts store and you buy one of these. This is a digital tire pressure gauge. This makes life much easier when you're checking your tire pressure. When you go to your gas station, you want to first check your tire pressure with this. I'll show you how to do that. So first, you want to take the cap off. You turn on the pressure gauge, and then you do this, and you'll see the digital readout says 35 PSI. That is the specification for this car. So we really don't have to do anything, but if it was low, let's pretend we're at the gas station, you would go ahead and push this onto the tire, and then squeeze the trigger on the inflator, and then that would start to pump air into the tire. And then you double check again. You come back and you check it with your tire gauge and see what the pressure is. And once you get to your specification that the manufacturer recommends, then you're done and you can move on to the next tire. And don't forget to put your cap back on. I want to thank you for joining us here in our Modesti's Minute Clinic. Are we on yet? We are? Okay. Manufacturer, we're gonna, don't know what to say now.